Okay, a video to walk through the model population experiment. Let's go through materials first. We have blue Legos representing the largemouth bass. There are 3. Yellow Legos representing mosquito fish. There are 15. And then the small red pastas representing mosquitoes. A total of 200. Groups of 10 on cardstock just for ease of moving them around. Our first habitat experiment asks us to arrange these according to habitat needs, right? So each bass, in order to survive, needs 3 mosquito fish. And each mosquito fish needs 10 mosquitoes. So there's 10 mosquitoes for each mosquito fish, 3 mosquito fish for each bass. So let's just take a moment and set those up. All right, I think we're set. So each largemouth bass is surrounded by 3 mosquito fish. Each mosquito fish has a total of 10 mosquitoes. Now that leaves some organisms without their needs being met. So let's figure out how many we have left. So we started with 3, there we go. Started with 3 largemouth bass, 15 mosquito fish, 200 mosquitoes. How many of each are left? Well, we used all the largemouth bass, so there are 0 of those left. They each got their needs met. We started with 15 mosquito fish. We used 9. That leaves 6 that went without their needs being met. And we started with about 200 mosquitoes, used 90. Each largemouth bass has 10, 20, 30, right? So 30, 60, 90 mosquitoes for each bass, leaving a total of 110 left, and those are represented in our dish over there. So the second arrangement then asks us to add 3 largemouth bass to what's remaining. So remaining, we had 6 mosquito fish. Those are the yellow ones, and we had 110 mosquitoes. So let me just quickly make these arrangements. So these ones had their needs met, so they're no longer a part of the second arrangement. We're adding 3 new largemouth bass. We still have our 6 mosquito fish, and we have 110 mosquitoes left. Okay, so if we were going to make this arrangement then, with these organisms within the habitat, each mosquito fish feeds, we need 3 mosquito fish for each bass. So let me just kind of rearrange these really quickly. Okay, so look what we have left in this arrangement. We have 2 largemouth bass getting their needs completely met. We have 1 bass that does not have its needs met, and we have some mosquitoes left over. So 1 bass, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 mosquitoes that didn't get their needs met in this scenario. So you'll need to make an observation about that on your paper, and then it asks you to add 100 more mosquitoes to this scenario. So if we add even more mosquitoes, what do you notice with the population then? Which population is thriving? Which population is not? And how could we maintain a balance? What would it take to balance this population at this stage. So I'll leave you with that. Think about it and make your observations on your assignment page. Submit to population models.